Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video we are going to talk about the BuddyX Pro footer options. For the footer point of view, if you navigate to the customizer, inside the customizer we have site footer options, and it will give you flexibility to choose or make modification for the copyright text, the link color options, and you can also choose which widget is going to be displayed for which area. So for the footer section we have a color background option first of all. So suppose that if you want to set a footer background something like this, you can choose from the footer options. And if you want to set a featured image on that one, like with some background, you can also do that like this. Might be you have to use some good image with some transparency. So, and after that one we have a section where you can include your copyright text. We have shortcode to display current year. You can change the site title or powered by the theme author. You can remove these one if you need them. So these are the options what you have for the footer. For the footer visit area, like if you go to the backend, we have four different visit areas. Dashboard, appearance, visit. Okay, let me enable the classic mode because this creates some issues. Visit is activated. Okay, now navigating back to the visit again. Now you can see that we have clear options for activity directory, right sidebar, member directory, right sidebar, group directory, right sidebar, and we have dedicated menu for the single profile sidebar, single user activity sidebar, group single sidebar, and the group group activity sidebar. And we have four different visit areas for footer. Whatever you are going to place there, it will be displayed in those visit areas. For the visit point of view, we have dedicated visit like BuddyX BP login visit. Apart from this one, we have also included BuddyPress profile completion visit. And we have also polished the third-party visits, what's coming there. So everything looks good with the site. Now, on the customizer option, we are talking more about the sidebar and the visit. The theme has a dedicated sidebar for every post type and the BuddyPress component. So if we are going to the sidebar section, so this is the default sidebar layout that is going to be applicable for pages and any custom post type what we are going to create. So by default, the right sidebar is enabled. If you want to left sidebar or both sidebar, you can enable them. The next is the single post sidebar, like what sidebar it is going to be displayed on the single post, and you can choose the layout for this one. You can go with the without sidebar or with left, right, or both column. The next one is the activity directory. Activity directory is something like where you are going to display newsfeed, or if BuddyPress is activated, it is called as an activity page. It's look like this one. So all the user activity, anyone is doing anything as a posting any activity, it is going to be displayed on the activity directory page. And next one is the member directory. You can also choose one column layout, two column layout for this one. And you can, the visits what you are going to display in the backend, they are going to be displayed here. Like for this one, we have enabled the left sidebar layout. If you want to enable both sidebar layout on the member directory also, you just have to choose a different layout. And you have to make sure in the both left side and the right side, there are some widget included from the backend area, this one. Okay, so for community left sidebar, so all the community pages will contain the same common left sidebar, and the right sidebar is dependent upon the which component it is active. Like this is going to display on the activity directory, this is going to display on the member directory, this one is going to display on the group directory. Okay, navigating back to the group directory. So this is the group directory sidebar layout, and if you want to choose a single layer or single sidebar or the both sidebar, you can just toggle the option and publish it. It will start displaying in the real time like this one. And you can enable, like when the BuddyBoss is enabled, you can make a toggle with for the grid and the list UI. Okay, same thing, we have a dedicated sidebar location for the BBPress. When in BuddyBoss, you can call it as a discussion, but actually it is a BBPress. Same, we have also dedicated sidebar location for the WooCommerce single product page. You can use the left sidebar or both sidebar. So these are the dedicated sidebar we have created because it's a community theme. That's why we are more focused on community specific sidebars. The next one is the member specific sidebar. Like we have mentioned, 4 different other location like single profile sidebar, single user activity sidebar. So when someone is checking on their own profile, let me enable the vertical layout first. Group navigation, display as a vertical, not vertical, profile display as a horizontal. Okay, so when we are in the horizontal view, then we have 2 different views. Like this sidebar is specific to profiles, single profile sidebar. So whatever we are going to place there, it is going to be displayed here. And we have one more different sidebar. It is a timeline or activity specific sidebar. And if you want to display a different sidebar, anything what you are going to place here, that is going to be displayed on member single user activity sidebar here. And same thing apply for the groups sidebar and group single activity. So on the activity feed page, we are going to enable these 2 one, and on the other profile one or the about one, we are going to display these 2. And for the BBPress, we have 2 different wizard areas. So based on what you have selected from the customizer option, anything what you have dropped with any wizard what you have dropped there, that will it is going to be displayed there. So in this video, we had covered the footer area, the footer wizard area, the sidebar location of the theme, and how to enable these sidebar location on different BuddyPress component, and what are the dedicated sidebar location for each individual page for BuddyPress, BBPress, WooCommerce, and what are the default sidebar location per blog or general item or single blog item. If you still have any questions, contact us. Thank you.